Okay, let me tell you one story. In China, an American company, known as Guanyin Children and Modern Children's Hospital, or the Nisi Guanyin near McDonald's.
Na China.
Guangzhou. So, Americans may pay the hospital, a very big hospital, China partnership. After a period of visa in China 1 year, that period. So after a period of 1 year, 11 months, has seen the American Nana could with a visa also. Only when you go with a visa, Kenya 5 years visa. An American Hakuchia. A question. How will take over the place? Because they deal with Google the same way. Google. Have a Google dinner, Google and a fake ho. Hanya Google dinner, Google na Hong Kong. WhatsApp, remember WhatsApp na China. Because when they open their own, like because government are monitor everything media. On our monitor everything. Hana boy care for this staff here. How you make Google. Make your business. How you make WhatsApp. So everything then at China monitor very, very well. And I'm even calculate. With the franchise, how am I not easier? If not, on my work.
I'll put here government in a man. How
they protect themselves. China, Guangzhou, capital of Guangdong, Bidol, Elo train, the Chondi, Denmark, Kabialoha train, Denmark of Finland, Kabialoha train. Allo first one. Farmer and then Alu train and Hanchani engineers, Monia bricklayer, Monia worker, Monia Erubebo, first class engineer. So we have line 1. How can I roll line 1, line 2, line 3? We have line 1 and then also. So that's okay. Now happens again. Negotiate. No, and I guide the email. Listen, hello. Go line 14. If that now, Hana all need all these technologies very well. So China now they protect themselves. Their government they protect them. Go away in China. You get a man as well. You send the ego. Is the police? Iya back away na. My government have her. Sefa, go away you. Manebuna mother. Yeah, we hope that's okay. How they protect themselves against foreigners. Yeah. So, what happened in China? China, but very well. On what if you need it? Come again. And I have put us. Gente, Jane and record. China have put us. What's the remember that? Only tax in a so. Come on, I put us 10,000 naira. Come on, here 20,000 naira. And so the corruption now will be bigger, and then on invade that tax. And only 20 hours, we can take a very long time.